Hi, welcome to Spartan Blade Unboxing channel. Today the item to inbox has been purchased and shipped from AliExpress China. It's a car fragrance diffuser. Package is made of padded envelope and it is properly sealed. It contains one car diffuser with 5 aroma stick. The car diffuser stick is made of steel and black color. Its size is about 70 by 7 millimeters. It has a clip-in center with which it can easily be attached in all types of car AC ducts. It has mini size, not take much space and do not obstruct air vent. Convenient perfume bar replacement, provide good atmosphere to your inner car. It has screw lid on one end which can be easily opened for placement and changing of aroma stick. On the other end it has adjustable knob to adjust various intensity of scent requirement. It comes in 5 fragrance, that is lavender, classic, ocean, lemon, etc. Its weight is about 3.5 to 4 gram each. The fragrance package is stored in airtight package. Tear it from one side and remove the aroma stick. Remove the screw lid on one end and place the aroma stick inside and tight the cover back. Fragrance is extraction of natural flower and fruit plant raw materials. It is free from industrial alcohol and artificial flavors. It has high temperature resistance, anti-spoilage under low temperature and safety without burst. Warning: keep out of the reach of children. In case of any accidental eating, immediately spit out and seek medical treatment. In addition, also keep it away from the source of fire. Also avoid direct sunlight and keep it in a cool and ventilated place. Thank you for watching. Please support by subscribing to my channel and like on my video, and I hope to see you around.